What if the future of money wasn't in your wallet, but in your smartphone? Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency. In this video, we'll break down what crypto is, how it works, and whether it's right for you. In simple terms, cryptocurrency is a digital money, but unlike the cash in your wallet or the money in your bank, crypto is not controlled by any government or bank. It's completely decentralized, meaning it is powered by technology and the network of users. The fancy tech behind crypto is called blockchain. Think of blockchain as a giant unhackable spreadsheet shared across millions of computers. Every transaction gets recorded, verified, and added to this spreadsheet forever. So if I send you one Bitcoin, it is publicly recorded on the blockchain, but my identity remains private. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency created in 2009. Today, there are over 20,000 cryptocurrencies. Some are legit game changers, and others, well, let's just say you wouldn't trust them to hold your lunch money. A lot of people these days are obsessed with crypto. Let me break it down why. 1. It's accessible. You don't need a bank account or approval from anyone to use crypto. You just need an internet connection, perfect for people in countries with unreliable banking systems. 2. It's fast. Sending money with crypto is like using Venmo or PayPal, but without the fees and waiting days for the bank to process it. 3. It's potentially profitable. People have made insane profits. Imagine buying a Bitcoin in 2010 for $1 and holding on to it until 2021 when it hits $60,000. Yeah, that's a real story. But don't get too excited. We'll talk. Let's talk about the big players in the crypto world. Bitcoin. This is the OG crypto. It's like digital gold. Rare, valuable, and super popular. But because it's so famous, it's also expensive to buy. As of today, one Bitcoin costs thousands of dollars. But don't worry, you can buy fractions of a Bitcoin. Ethereum. Ethereum is the tech wizard of the crypto world. It's not just a currency, it's a platform for building apps using something called smart contracts. These are like the self-executing agreements where the code does all the work. Think of Ethereum as Bitcoin, but with a PSD. Then we have altcoins like Cardano, Solana, and Polkadot, each trying to solve unique problems. And of course, meme coins, the jokers in the deck, like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. These started as memes but gained massive popularity. Investing in them is like betting on which internet meme will go viral next. Okay, let's get nerdy for a second. This is how crypto works behind the scene. Unlike banks that store your money, crypto is decentralized. This means no single entity controls it. Transactions happen directly between people, peer-to-peer, and are verified by a network of computers called nodes. For cryptos like Bitcoin, transactions are validated through a process called mining. Miners solve complex math problems to confirm transactions and add them to the blockchain. As a reward, they get new coins. But don't grab a pickaxe. Mining requires expensive hardware and electricity. To use crypto, you need a wallet. This is where you store your coins. There are two types: a hot wallet, which are online, and a cold wallet that are offline. Hot wallets are convenient but less secure, while cold wallets are super secure but not as easy to use. Alright, now let's get practical. Here's how you can start investing in crypto as a beginner. Step 1. Choose a crypto exchange. Crypto exchanges are like online marketplaces where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. Popular ones include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Make sure you choose one that is secure and beginner-friendly. Once you buy crypto, you'll need a wallet to store it. There are two main types. Hot wallets. These are connected to the internet and are typically provided by your exchange or apps like Trust Wallet and MetaMask. These are super convenient for beginners but less secure because they are online and vulnerable to hacks. Cold wallets. These are offline wallets that are much safer because they are disconnected from the internet. The most popular type of cold wallet is a hardware wallet, a physical device like a USB stick. Examples include Ledger and Trezor. If you are just starting out, a hot wallet from your exchange is fine for small amounts or frequent trading. But if you're planning to hold your crypto long term, or if you're investing a significant amount, consider getting a hardware wallet for maximum security. Step 3. Start small. Don't go all in on day 1. Start with a small amount you're okay losing and learn as you go. Remember, crypto can be extremely volatile. Step 4. Research before you buy. Always research the cryptocurrency you're investing in. What problem does it solve? Who created it? What's its track record? Treat it like dating. Don't trust something that seems too good to be true. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the risks. Crypto prices can skyrocket one day and plummet the next. If you're someone who panics easily, crypto might give you a heart attack. Crypto is the wild west of finance. Scams are everywhere, from fake exchanges to Ponzi schemes. Always double-check websites and avoid anything that promises guaranteed returns. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate crypto. Changes in regulations can impact the value of your investments overnight. But on the bright side, crypto can offer incredible returns if you invest wisely. Plus, it's empowering to own your money without relying on banks. Crypto is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a new technology that's reshaping how we think about money. If you're willing to learn, take calculated risks, and think long-term, it can be a great addition to your portfolio. But remember, don't invest more than you're willing to lose. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments. I'll do my best to explain them without Googling too much. See you in the next video.